To use the AuthorizeNet REST API, start by creating an account on the AuthorizeNet website and obtaining your API credentials, including your API login ID and transaction key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your API requests. First, choose the API endpoint you want to use, such as creating a customer profile or processing a payment. The AuthorizeNet API documentation provides a list of available endpoints and their corresponding URLs. Next, construct your API request by specifying the HTTP method, such as POST or GET, and the request headers, including your API credentials and the content type of the request body. The request body should be in JSON format and contain the required parameters for the endpoint you are using. For example, to create a customer profile, you would send a POST request to the Create Customer Profile endpoint with a JSON body containing the customer's information, such as their name, address, and payment method. After constructing your request, send it to the AuthorizeNet API using your preferred programming language or tool. The API will then process your request and return a response, which may include a JSON body containing the result of the request. To handle errors, make sure to check the HTTP status code of the response and parse the response body for any error messages. You should also implement retry logic to handle temporary errors, such as network connectivity issues. Best practices for using the AuthorizeNet REST API include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, and validating user input to prevent security vulnerabilities. You should also handle sensitive information, such as credit card numbers, in accordance with PCI DSS guidelines. In addition, make sure to test your API requests thoroughly to ensure they are working as expected and handle any errors that may occur. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the AuthorizeNet REST API to integrate payment processing into your application.